Okay, this is why you should become an influencer now. I have so much peer in front of me right now, and this was literally my dream. Who grew up watching MacBarbie07 and Michelle Phan on YouTube? Because I sure did. Although I was only in like elementary school, back then YouTube was everything to me. And from then, I always wanted to become an influencer, beauty guru. Look at this texture. Wait. Look at this water cream. I am so confused. This looks so cool. I feel like this cream itself needs like its whole own moment, but what? What is that? Because I started posting random stuff on social media, I can receive cool products like these. I mean, my influencer journey really started when COVID began. You guys know I love my Unleasha cushion, and they just came out with this baby blue line. I'm so excited to try it out. This is literally my favorite foundation, you guys. I can't wait to try this formula. And during COVID, I really took makeup and fashion seriously. But I didn't know how big it was gonna get until I went to Korea. And of course, there's so many cool things in Korea, so I was just kind of vlogging little random things. And of course, I came across the convenience store and I started filming my experiences at the Korean convenience store, and it became like a huge thing, as you guys probably know. Although I've had some videos go viral before on TikTok beforehand, I really did grow my following while I was in Korea. And at first it was super cool, so I was just kind of enjoying the moment. I didn't take it seriously, but now that I'm taking this journey a little bit more seriously, I can receive all of these amazing, cool PR packages that I've always dreamt of. This is the new Unleasha face palette, by the way. And look at how cool all the shimmers are in here. So maybe we'll highlight using these colors. And Leisha also sent me some lip products as well, but I'm gonna use it as a cream blush. I think I'm gonna use the lightest pink shade here. And with amazing access like to TikTok and reels and shorts these days, I feel like everyone is so capable of creating their very own content. And if you've always had the desire to become an influencer or post some sort of content that you're passionate about, I am here to tell you right now to do it. And of course, in the beginning, I was worried about how my content might look cringy to my friends or some of my followers, and I did actually lose some followers that I knew IRL, but you're filtering out the fake ones. And throughout this whole experience, I am so grateful for these cool brands that want to work with me, and of course you guys. Like, without you guys none of this would be possible. But also, if you're watching this and be like, oh my god, I want to do exactly what she's doing, just do it. You only really get to live out one life. Do what makes you happy, because in the end, even if it doesn't work out, at least you know you tried it. So there's gonna be no regrets. Plus, all of this amazing stuff is a bonus. You guys know I love my Dayzique lippies. I use them in every single video, and they just sent me melting lip balms, which I have actually been dying to try these out. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna use the shade a Candy Soda. It sounds so delicious. Oh my god, look at this color. This is a perfect color for me. You just press it on the bottom like this. Hello? The pigment and the gloss. The pigment and the gloss. This is so pretty. This is going in my purse now. Okay, this is my finished look. I am going out tonight. It is Saturday over here in Toronto. And I'm saying receiving all these cool products could be you. So if this is what you want to really try out, you should give it a go.